Hello everybody, welcome to Jury Central online classes for law exams. So today I will be dealing with you the solved question paper of DU LLM entrance test of the year 2011. I have already uploaded the solved papers done here for the last 8 years on my channel. Kindly visit my site called www.jurycentral.com. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing it for all related informations in the future. So without wasting any time, let us start. Question number 1. The rule of absolute liability was first laid down by. So the correct option is option number B, Justice Blackburn in the year 1868. Question number 2. Which of the following statements is or are correct? The correct option is option number A. The English rule regarding proof of special damages in actions for slander doesn't apply in India. Question number 3. In which of the following cases Justice Kennedy's limitation to the claims relating to nervous shock that the shock must have been due to fear of immediate personal injury to oneself was rejected? The correct option is option number C. Hamburg versus Stokes Brothers. Let's see about the other options. Kings versus Phillips. In this case, the court held that who suffers shock on being told of an accident to a loved one cannot recover damages from the negligent party on that account. Dulio versus White and Sons. In this, the court held that the plaintiff could recover in respect of the physical consequences of nervous shock caused by reason of reasonable fear of immediate personal injury to oneself by Justice Kennedy. And the other options also deals with damages relating to psychiatric injury. Question number 4. Which of the following statement is incorrect? The correct option is option number D. The Indian Supreme Court has evolved the rule of absolute liability in preference to the English rule of strict liability, so rule of strict liability has no relevance in India. Question number 5. Qui facit per alia facit per se establishes the. So it establishes option number D, liability under the Indian Contract Act. Let's see the meaning of the maxim. The meaning is he who acts through another does the act himself. Question number 6. Anuj says to Ramesh if he would be interested in purchasing his bike for rupees 10,000. Ramesh immediately takes rupees 10,000 to Anuj and says he wants to buy the bike. The result is, so in this case the result is no contract is formed. Option number C. Question number 7. In case of acceptance by post, at what point the acceptance is complete as against the proposer? So the correct option is option number A, when the letter of acceptance is put in the course of transmission, and this is given under section 4 of Indian Contract Act, which deals with communication when complete. Question number 8. Consideration for the contract signifies. So it signifies option number C, the bargained element in a contract. 9. Who among the following has no right to enforce a contract? The correct option is option number A, stranger to contract. Question number 10. Surendar's dog is lost. He advertises in a newspaper that anyone who finds the dog will get a reward of rupees 20,000. The advertisement is. So, in this case, the advertisement is just a proposal, option number A. Question number 11. What kind of damages can be granted under the Indian Contract Act 1872? The correct option is option number B, compensatory damages. Question number 12. The principle contained under section 73 of Indian Contract Act is based on. So it is based on option number A. It is based on the judgment delivered in the case of Hadley versus Baxendale. This case is relating to remoteness of breach. Let's see about the other options. Jamal versus Mullah Daud, Sons and Company. In this case, it is held that damages for breach of contract such as a contract of sale are normally to be assessed as at the date of the breach. So this case is relating to measure of damages. C. Karsan Das H. Thakkar Company Limited versus Saran Engineering. In this case, the court held that the damages awarded as compensation for any loss or damage arising naturally in the usual courses of things from the breach of contract. The last option is option number D, Mawla Bucks versus Union of India. In this, the court held that where the court is unable to assess the compensation, the sum named by the parties, if it be regarded as a genuine pre-estimate, may be taken into consideration as a measure of reasonable compensation, but not if the sum named is in the nature of penalty. Where loss in terms of money can be determined, the party claiming compensation must prove the loss suffered by him. Question number 13. A contract is not discharged by. So the contract is not discharged by option number D, commercial hardship. Question number 14. A contract to seek for B at a consent for rupees 50,000 which are paid in advance. A is too ill to sing on the day of the concert. The consequences. So the consequences is option number B. A is bound to refund rupees 50,000 paid in advance. And this is given under section 65 of Indian Contract Act, which is also known as doctrine of restitution. Question number 15. Which of the following is not true? So the correct option is option number D, quasi contracts are only related to minors. This is not true. Question number 16. A person who finds goods belonging to another and takes them into his custody is subject to the same responsibility as. The correct option is option number D, bailey. Question number 17. A contract induced by mistake of law is. So a contract which is induced by mistake of law is a valid contract, and this is given under section 21 of Indian Contract Act, which says or which deals with effects of mistakes as to law. Question number 18. What is excusable under Indian contract law? So correct option is option number C, a mistake of foreign law. Mistake of Indian law is not an excuse given under Indian contract law, but a mistake as to foreign law, for this kind of contract an excuse is given. Question number 19. A holds out a pistol over his own head and threatens to shoot himself if a release deed is not signed by his wife in favor of his brother. A's wife signs a release deed. The consent to the agreement is caused by. So this consent is caused by coercion, option number B. 20. A contract entailing future consideration is known as. So it is known as option number A, executory contract. So let's see what do we mean by executory contract. It means it's a contract made by two parties in which the terms are set to be fulfilled at a later date. 21. An action turns into a binding contract. The correct option is option number C, upon actual signing of contract. Question number 22. An acceptance may be revoked at any time before the communication of an acceptance is complete. Option number B. It will be as against the acceptor. Question number 23. Section 25 of Indian Contract Act relates to. So it relates to option number D, absence of consideration. Question number 24. Mohiri Bibi versus Dharmodas Ghosh was finally decided by. So it is finally decided by Privy Council. Option number A. 25. Which of the following is not a requirement of undue influence? So the correct option is option number D, false statement by one of the parties. 26. Communication of proposal is complete. So it is complete when it comes to the knowledge of the proposer. So the correct option is option number B. It's it's not propose, it's proposing. Kindly correct yourself. This is typographical mistake which I have done by inadvertently. Kindly correct yourself. 27. Impossibility of performance of contract discharges. So it discharges option number C, all obligations under the contract, and this is given under section 56 of Indian Contract Act, which deals with agreement to do impossible act. 28. The maxim lex non cogit ad impossibilia is related to. So it is related to option number C, both A and B, in cases of both initial impossibility as well as subsequent impossibility. 29. Which of the following is not a ground of frustration? So the correct option is option number A, commercial hardship. 30. Quantum merit means. So it means option number B, proportional earning. 31. The law on the private defense in India. So the law on the private defense in India is wider than the one in England, and the correct option in this case is option number C. 32. Which of the following is not specified to be the common object of an assembly to make it unlawful under section 141 of the IPC? The correct option is option number D, none of the above, because all this criteria is given under section 141. 33. A person who accuses bodily injury to another who is laboring under a disorder, disease or bodily infirmity and thereby accelerates the death of that other shall be deemed to have caused his death by virtue of. So the correct option would be option number A, explanation 1 to section 299. Section 299 deals with culpable homicide. 34. During the fight between A and B, the two women, A pulls B by hair and removes some of her hair. A is guilty of an offence of accusing. So the correct option would be option number A, simple hurt, and this is given under section 319 of Indian Penal Code. 35. Assault or criminal force used in attempting to commit theft of property is punishable under. So it is punishable under section 356 of the IPC. Let's see about the other sections. Section 378 of the IPC deals with theft, 379 deals with punishment for theft, and 384 deals with punishment for extortion. 36. A takes a camera belonging to B out of his possession and without his consent with the intention of keeping it until he gets a reward from B for its restoration. A is guilty of option number C, theft. 37. A inserts his hand into the pocket of Anne only to find the pocket to be empty. A is guilty of. So in this case, A is guilty of option number B, attempt to commit theft. 38. The right granted under section 100 of the IPC to the extent of causing death can be exercised in an assault which reasonably causes an apprehension that death will otherwise be the consequences of the assault. The above rule has been explained by the Supreme Court in which of the famous case? So it is held in the case of Amjad Khan versus State, option number C. 39. A self-styled expert in family planning gave B some chemical. After the consumption of the chemical, the child in the womb of B died in the womb. What offence has A committed? So in this case, A has committed the offence of causing miscarriage, and this is given in option number C. 40. Removal of ornaments from body of one after causing his death is. So it is actually an offence under section 404. 404 deals with dishonest misappropriation of property possessed by deceased person at the time of his death. 41. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court held that brutality is inbuilt in every murder, but in case of every murder, death sentence is not imposed, and this is held in the case of Prem Sagar versus Dharamveer, option number A. 42. When all the incriminating facts and circumstances are found to be incompatible with the innocence of the accused, then in that case, the inference of guilt can be justified. Correct option is option number A. 43. Section 34 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 is actually a rule of evidence, and the correct option is option number B. 44. Essential ingredients of a crime are actus reus and mens rea, option number A. 45. Under exception 4 of section 300 of IPC, the first assault may be either by the offender or by the deceased. So the exception deals with grave and sudden provocation, and here the correct option is option number D. 46. In a conspiracy, an agreement or consort is necessary, option number D. 47. Against which of the following offences does the right of private defence of property extend to voluntary causing of death? The correct option is option number A, robbery, and this is given under section 103 of Indian Penal Code, which deals with when the right of private defence of property extends to causing death. 48. De minimis non curat lex means. So it means trifling acts do not constitute an offence, option number B. 49. A married man commits consensual sexual intercourse with an unmarried woman without the consent of his wife. A has committed, in this case, A has committed no offence, and in any way, in the present time, the offence of adultery is actually scrapped from the IPC itself by the judgment Joseph Shine versus Union of India. 50. Harvinder, who was entrusted by Suresh with certain blocks of printing a catalog, prints a catalog of rival firms with the same blocks, Harvinder is guilty of. In this case, Harvinder is guilty of criminal breach of trust, and section 405 of IPC deals with criminal breach of trust. 51. A police officer has a warrant of arrest for B. He asks C as to the identity of B. C knowingly tells A that P is B and subsequently A arrests P. C is guilty of. So in this case, C is guilty of abatement by instigation given under section 107 of IPC, which deals with abatement of a thing. 52. In case of section 497 of IPC, the actus reus mainly relates to. So actus reus mainly relates to married women, but this question is not relevant in the present times. 53. A manager of B was sent to collect payment from B's customers. A collects the payment but keeps with him. Which of the following option is correct? The correct option is option number C. A has committed criminal breach of trust. 54. Ravi was suffering from delusion. One night he considered his own son as a leopard and attacked him with an axe, thinking by mistake of fact that he was justified in killing the son whom he did not regard to be a human being but a dangerous animal. Ravi is guilty of. So in this case, Ravi is guilty of no offence as he has defense of mistake of fact in good faith. Option number is the correct option, and this exception is created under section 79 of IPC, which deals with act done by a person justified or by mistake of fact believing himself justified by law. Question number 55. Sexual intercourse by a man with his own wife is not rape if the wife is above 15 years. Even this question is also not relevant in the present times because the age of the wife has been increased to 18 years by a decision of Supreme Court. 56. Who amongst the following is not a positivist? Option number A, Vattel. 57. Which of the following sources find a place in Article 38 Clause 1 of the Statute of International Court of Justice? The correct option is option number D, teachings of the highly qualified publicists. 58. Who was of the opinion that there was no real distinction between state law and international law? Both systems bound individuals, although international law as a matter of technique did so all immediately and through the concept of the state. This is said by Kelson, option number C. 59. Which of the following is not a purpose of the United Nations organizations? Correct option is option number A, to implement international law. 60. Who define international law as a body of rules and principles of action which are binding upon civilized states in their relations with one another? Option number C, J.L. Brearley. 61. Which of the following is not a principle under Article 2 of the United Nations Charter? Option number D, principle of permanent sovereignty over natural resources. 62. Who concluded that international law is only positive international morality and not a true law? Option number C, Pfuffendorf. 63. When did the International Covenant on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights and the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights enter into force? The correct option is option number C, 1976. 64. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court of India held that the precautionary principle and the polluter pays principle are part of the customary international law and there is no difficulty in accepting them as part of the domestic law? The correct option is option number D, Vellore Citizens Welfare Forum versus Union of India. 65. The Anglo-Norwegian fisheries case 1951 is concerned with. So it concerns with option number A, the adoption of straight baseline for measuring territorial waters. 66. In which of the following cases the ICJ called for the application of equitable principles for the delimitation of continental shelves? The correct option is option number B, North Sea continental shelf cases. So Lotus case is dealing with customary law. North Sea continental shelf case dealing with the equitable principles for the delimitation of continental shelves, which is the correct option of this question. And then Anglo-Norwegian fisheries case, here the straight baseline method was applied for measuring territorial waters, and Corfu Channel case is a case relating to right of innocent passage, or say right to innocent passage. 67. In which of the following cases the general principles of law recognized by civilized states were not applied? So the correct option is option number C, asylum case. 68. Which of the following is an incorrect match? The correct option is option number B, Fitch-Morris monism. Fitch-Morris was not a propounder or was not a supporter of monism theory. 69. The outer limit of continental shelf of a state cannot exceed. So it cannot exceed 350 nautical miles from the baseline. Option number D. 17. Which of the following zones the coastal states shall give the landlocked states access to surplus of the allowable catch? The correct option is option number B, exclusive economic zone. 71. In which of the following cases the ICJ made the observation that the party which relies on a custom of this kind must prove that this custom is established in such a manner that it has become binding on the other party, that it is in accordance with a constant and uniform usage practiced by the states in question, and that this usage is the expression of a right appertaining to the state granting asylum and a duty incumbent on the territorial state. So the correct option is option number C, asylum case. So in this case, general principles of law recognized by civilized states is not applied. 72. According to UN Convention on Law of the Sea 1992, the delimitation of the continental shelf between states with opposite or adjacent coast shall be affected. So it shall be affected in order to achieve an equitable solution. Option number A, 73. Which of the following is not a form of appropriation for the injury under ILC draft code on responsibility of states for wrongful acts 2001? The correct option is option number C, compensation. 74. Opinio juris sive necessitates is an essential element in a. So it's a necessary element in a custom. Option number A. 75. Who supported the theory of monism? Option number B, Kelsen. 76. The power of the President of India to issue an ordinance, either or an. So it is actually a legislative power. Option number C, and this is given under Article 123, which deals with promulgating of ordinance, and it says that an ordinance promulgated by the President has the same effect as an act passed by Parliament. 77. Finance Commission is a, so it is actually a constitutional body. 78. In India, Panchayat Raj was introduced for the first time, so it is introduced for the first time in the year 1992. Option number B. 79. How many states has a preamble of the Constitution of India been amended so far? So it has been amended only once. Option number A. 80. In the impeachment of the President, the charge can be preferred by. So the correct option is option number C. So a resolution moved in either House of Parliament after at least 14 days notice in writing, signed by not less than 1/4 of the total membership of the House, which is passed by a majority of total membership of the House. 81. Which provision of the Constitution makes Council of Ministers collectively responsible to the House of the People? The correct option is option number C, 75 clause 3. 82. Article 75 clause 1A inserted by the Constitution 91st Amendment Act 2003 provides that the total number of ministers, including the Prime Minister in the Council of Ministers, shall not exceed. So it shall not exceed 15% of the total number of members of the House of the People. Option number C. 83. The elections to the Vidhan Parishad are held by. So it is held by the system of proportional representation by means of single transferable vote. Option number D. 84. The directive principles of state policy as embodied in the part 4 of the Constitution of India were derived from that. So it is derived from option number C, Republic of Ireland. 85. Who have made the statement that it is likely that free India may be federal India, though in any event there would be a great deal of unitary control. So this is said by option number B, Jawaharlal Nehru. 86. Which of the following statement is correct? So the correct statement is option number B. No person can waive his fundamental rights under the Indian Constitution as they are sacrosanct and no individual can tinker with them. 87. Under the law, certain posts are reserved for the residents of a region of a state on the ground that it was a very backward areas compared to the other areas of the state, the reservation is. So in this case, the reservation is invalid, as residential qualifications can be prescribed for the whole of the state and not a part of the state under Article 16 Clause 3. 88. The Government of India Act 1935 vested residuary power in the. So it vested residuary power in the hands of Governor General, option number A. 89. Amendment of which of the following requires a majority of the total membership of each house of the parliament, a majority of not less than 2/3 of the members present and voting in each house, and ratification by half of the state legislatures. So the correct option is option number C, the representation of state in the parliament. So for a state to be represented in the parliament, the procedure is prescribed in the question itself. 19. Catch-up rule evolved by the Supreme Court in Union of India versus Veerpal Singh 1995 6 SCC 684 was eliminated by which amendment of the Constitution? It was eliminated by option number C, 85th Amendment. Which of the following articles of the Constitution provides fundamental right even against private individuals? So the correct option is option number B, Article 17. Which of the following cases relates to anti-strike verdict? Option number A, T.K. Rangarajan versus Government of Tamil Nadu. 93. The concept of regulatory measures and compulsory taxes has been adopted by Indian judiciary from. So it has been adopted by Indian judiciary from the Constitution of Australia. Question number 94. Under which of the following two provisions the President has to act not on the advice of the Union Council of Ministers but on the advice of some other constitutional authorities? The correct option is option number C, Articles 103 Clause 1 and 217 Clause 3. 95. Appointment of judges of the Supreme Court after consultation with the Collegium is open to judicial review on the grounds of. So it is open to judicial review on the grounds of ineligibility, arbitrariness and bias. The correct option is option number D, all of this. 96. The maximum period for President rule under Article 356 is. So the correct option is option number C, 3 years. 97. Autrefoy's acquit principle is related to. So it is related to the principle of double jeopardy. 98. Employment of children below the age of 14 years in any factory, mine or any other hazardous work is violative of. So the correct option is option number B, right against exploitation, and this is given under Article 39 of Indian Constitution, which deals with directive principles of state policies. 99. Under the Constitution, doctrine of eclipse applies. So it applies to all laws pre-constitutional and post-constitutional. 100. The President can declare financial emergency. So it can declare financial emergency if there is a threat to the financial stability or credit of India. 101. A law restricting trade or commerce made by a state legislation. The correct option is option number B, requires the President assent, and this is given under Article 304, which deals with restrictions on trade, commerce and intercourse among states. 102. Right to work in India is there. So right to work in India is a directive principles of state policy, and this is given under Article 41, which deals with right to work, to education and to public assistance in certain cases. 103. Under which article of the Constitution the Prime Minister is duty bound to furnish information to the President? The correct option is option number C, Article 78, which deals with duties of Prime Minister as respects the furnishing of information to the President, etc. Let's see about the other articles. Article 75 deals with other provisions as to ministers. Article 77 deals with conduct of business of the Government of India, and Article 79 deals with Constitution of Parliament. 104. What is the quorum laid down to constitute a meeting of either of the Houses of Parliament? So the quorum is actually 1/10 of the total number of members of that house, option number D, and this is given under Article 100 of the Indian Constitution, which deals with voting in houses, power of houses to act notwithstanding vacancies and quorum. 105. Which of the following is correct in a case where a no confidence motion is passed against a minister? So the correct option is option number D. In that case, the whole of Council of Ministers has to decide. 106. The principle of law formulated by the court for the purpose of deciding the point of law in a case is known as. So it is known as ratio decidendi, option number A. 107. Which of the following is the formulation of the historical school? Option number D. All of the above. Law is found and not made. Law has a spontaneous nature of growth like language. Law is in a state of continuous change. 108. Grad norm is a basic hypothesis of. So it is a basic hypothesis of option number A, Kelsen. 109. Kelsen defined law as. So it defined law as normative order of human behavior. 110. To Hans Kelsen goes the credit of formulating option number A, pure theory of law. 111. Hedonistic calculus as a measure of pain and pleasure was given by. So it is given by Bentham, option number D. 112. Who said that ownership is the entirety of the power of use and disposal allowed by law? This is said by option number B, Pollock. 113. When a person holds someone else's property continuously without interruption for a certain duration, required to set a title in himself, he is said to have acquired the title of land by. So he is said to acquire the title of land by adverse possession, option number B. 114. Who defined right as an interest recognized and protected by law? Option number D, Salmon. 150. Liability is a jural correlative of. So liability is a jural correlative of power. 116. Duty is a jural opposite of. So duty is a jural opposite of liberty, option number D. 117. Who made the formulation that law is the instrument of social solidarity and cohesion? This is said by option number A, Dugwitt. 180. Jurisprudence has been divided into general jurisprudence and particular jurisprudence by. So the classification has been made by option number C, Austin. 119. Jurisprudence should be divided into sensorial and expository jurisprudence. This view was given by. So this view was given by option number C, Bentham. 120. Rousseau conceived of the idea of social contract as. So he conceived the idea of social contract as exercise of general will of the people. 121. The term volgis means. So it means spirit of the people. 122. The concept of law is a book written in the criticism of Austin's theory by option number B, Hart. 123. If a law is for long disregarded in practice and courts don't give effect to it, such state of disuse of norm is known as. So it is known as destituto, and the correct option is option number B. Natural law with a variable content was expounded by. So it is expounded by option number B, Rudolf Stabler. 125. Development as freedom is the name of a book written by. So this book is written by option number A, Amartya Sen. 126. In Bridges versus Hawksworth, the finders was allowed to keep the goods on the ground that. So it was it was allowed on the ground that the items were found in an area where public is admitted and the finder was one among them. Option number D. Question number 127. In which of the following cases the court pierced the veil of the corporate personality? The correct option is option number A, Daimler Company case. In case of Solomon versus Solomon, the corporate veil was lifted. The concept of lifting of corporate veil was evolved. In People Pleasure Park case, it was held that corporation is a person in law, and in the Smith, Stone and Knight's case, it is held that implied agency existed between parent and subsidiary company. 128. Who said legislation has the same center with morals but it has not same circumference? The correct option is option number C, Bentham. 129. Who has called Austinian Analytical School as imperative school of jurisprudence? So this was said by option number D, Allen. 130. Who said customs not only precede legislation but are even superior to it? This is said by option number C, Savigny. 131. Which of the following is the incorrect match? The The correct option is option number C, disability no right. It shall be disability as immunity. Question number 122. The common law is customary law. The viewpoint was expressed by. So this viewpoint was expressed by option number 2, Pollock. 133. Who said that a judge makes law in the sense in which a man who chops a tree into a log has in a sense made the logs? The correct option is option number D, Allen. 134. Where the judges decides the cases according to the law laid down in the code and not according to previous cases, it is known as. So it is known as option number A, deductive method. 135. A born Christian girl brought up by a Hindu family married a Hindu boy as per Shastric ceremonies. The marriage is. So in this case, the marriage is invalid. 136. Marriage of Muslim male to his maternal uncle's daughter is. So it is actually a valid marriage. 137. Marriage of a Hindu male to his wife's daughter by a previous husband. So in this case, the correct option is option number D, void unless protected by custom or usage. 138. Divorce by mutual consent in Muslim law is called option number C, khula or mubarak. 139. Which of the following is not a ground for annulment of marriage under section 12 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955? The correct option is option number B, cruelty. 140. Which of the following is not a requirement of a valid Hindu marriage? The correct option is option number C, consent of the parties to the marriage. 141. Which of the following is not available to a Muslim wife to seek dissolution of marriage? The correct option is option number D, husband has changed their religion. 142. A marriage between a Muslim man and a Christian woman can be validly solemnized under the. So it can be validly solemnized under Muslim law as well as under Christian Marriage Act 1872 and also Special Marriage Act 1954. 143. Khula under the Muslim law refers to. So it refers to option number B, divorce initiated by wife. 144. Marriage of a Hindu male with the widow of his brother is. So the correct option is option number D, void unless protected by custom or usage. 145. As per Prohibition of Child Marriages Act 2006, a child marriage is. So a child marriage is voidable at the option of child party to the marriage, option number B. 146. A male Hindu started a live-in relationship with a female Hindu and a son is born out of this union. The son is. So the son is illegitimate and can inherit only from his mother. 147. If one of the spouse without reasonable excuse refuses to live with the other, the latter can seek a divorce of. So the latter can seek a divorce of restitution of conjugal rights, option number C. 148. Which of the following enactments provide for dissolution of marriage only at the instance of wife? So the correct option is option number D, Dissolution of Muslim Marriages Act 1939. 149. The 71st report of Law Commission relates to. So it actually relates to irretrievable breakdown of marriage. 150. A and B petitioned for divorce by mutual consent under section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act. A withdrew her consent after 6 months. Choose the correct legal position from the following. The correct option is option number B. In this case, court cannot grant divorce under section 13B. 151. Which of the following propositions is or are correct? Muslim husband has a right to have 2 wives. The first wife has a right to withdraw from the conjugal society. The correct option is option number B. Both 1 and 2 are correct. 152. A Shia Muslim husband emails divorce letter containing triple talaq divorce would be. So in this case, the correct option is B, void. Which of the following is not a condition for valid marriage under section 5 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955? The correct option is option number D. Both are subpoenas. Because marriage which is done by the parties who are subpoenas to each other is considered as a void marriage. 154. The most approved form of divorce under Muslim law is option number B, talaq ahsan. 155. Which of the following theories is the outcome of a fundamental shift in the policy discernible from the judicial recognition of the view that the purpose of divorce law was not to punish the guilty but to protect the innocent spouse? So this is known as breakdown theory. Option number C. 156. Match the following and select the correct answer from the codes given below. So the correct option is option number A. Marriage within prohibited relationship. So it is actually void unless custom permits. Marriage in unlawful conjunction. It is a facade marriage. Marriage with an important person is a voidable marriage, and marriage within fostered relationship is known as batil marriage. So the marriages are relating to Muslim marriages. 157. Match the following and select the correct answer from the codes given below. So the correct option is option number D, registration of marriage. Section 8 of the Hindu Marriage Act deals with registration of marriage. Section 7 of Hindu Marriage Act deals with religious ceremonies. Section 26 of Hindu Marriage Act deals with custody of children. And Section 10 of Hindu Marriage Act deals with judicial separation. 158. Conversion of a Muslim wife to some other faith. So it is not by itself operates to dissolve her marriage. Option number B is the correct option. 159. Which of the following grounds is available only to the wife for seeking divorce under the Hindu Marriage Act? The correct option is option number D, option of puberty. 160. Renunciation of will and presumption of death are the grounds of divorce available in India under. So it is available in India under Hindu law. 161. Which of the following torts is actionable per se without the proof of damage of the plaintiff? The correct option is option number C, Hindu law and Christian law. 162. The state of mind of a person committing tort is relevant in. So it is relevant in option number A, trespass. 163. Who made the statement that categories of negligence are never closed? The correct option is option number C. Lord Macmillan has said that categories of negligence are never closed. 164. Mistake is a good defense in tort. So the correct option is option number D, malicious prosecution. 165. A and B unknown to D sought to got a lift in D's car, but on account of some mechanical defect in the car of which D was not aware, one of the front wheels of the car got detached and flew away and the car turned turtle. A and B suffered serious injuries and later A died of his injuries. B and A's next of kin sued D for damages for negligent driving. What offence does D have committed? The correct option is option number C. D has not committed any offence because it is an inevitable accident. 166. P, owner of a car, asked his friend Q to drive the car to Mumbai where he would join him. As the car was about 5 kilometers from Mumbai, it hit a pedestrian A on account of Q's negligent driving and injured him seriously. A sues P for damages. Which of the following is correct? So in this case, since Q was driving P's car under his authority, so in this case, P is liable. 167. P telephones a gas company to check up some leakage in his gas pipeline. The gas company sends two of his employees, A and B, for the purpose. B lights a matchstick to detect the leakage, but it causes an explosion resulting in considerable damage to the house. P sues A and B. A pleads that he is not guilty as he did not light the matchstick. Which of the following is correct? So in this case, option number C is the correct answer. A is equally liable as he is a joint tortfeasor. 168. In the modern says the distinction between sovereign and or non-sovereign power doesn't exist, in which case this statement was made in relation to vicarious liability of state. The correct option is option number D, Nagendra Rao and Company versus State of AP. 169. After flood, floor of a factory became slippery as some oil substance got mixed with water. The owners of the factory took steps to get rid of the effects of flood and spread all the sawdust available with them on floor. But some oily patches remained uncovered due to lack of further supply of sawdust. A worker in the factory who is a plaintiff slipped from one of such oily patches. He sues the defendants for damages. Which of the following is correct? So in this case, option number A is the correct answer. Defendants are not guilty of negligence. 170. The right of the public in a highway is merely the right to pass and repass, and that so long as that right was not interfered with, they cannot complain of what was in the air above or on the earth beneath. In which of the following cases the above observation was made? So this observation was made in the case of Noble versus Harrison. 171. In which of the following cases it is actionable defamation? So the correct option is option number B. A dictates a defamatory letter about P to his stenographer. 172. Causa causans means. So it means the defendant's act is the real, effective and dominant cause of injury to the plaintiff. 173. A threw a lighted squib into a marketplace. It fell on the gingerbread stall of B. B at once picked it up and threw it to another part of the market. It fell on the stall of C. C also picked it up and threw it across the marketplace. It burst there and caused injury to the plaintiff. So in this case, A is liable for injury to the plaintiff, which is very obvious. 174. Law of torts has developed mainly through. So it is developed mainly through in judicial decisions. Option number B. 175. When two persons coming from opposite directions in their car collide with each other and in that process they injure seriously a person standing on the roadside, the two motorists are. So in this case, the two motorists should be liable for joint tortfeasor as a joint tortfeasors. So this is the end of the slide. I hope you all like this session. Find us on social media, Instagram, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So with this note, I am signing off. Have a great day.